Making a bookcase, very easy using Striplox Mini120. We have a male component and we have the female component. All we've done is we've recessed them into our substrates. This is going to build a bookcase that is completely invisible fixings. Let me demonstrate. We're applying the shelf. We have it inserted into the side of the shelf and onto the end panel. Simply by putting it into place and then sliding it closed, and it locks together. The second shelf, exactly the same situation. Put it in, slide it, and lock them down into position. Now we have our two shelves on. Putting on the next end panel, we simply align them up and then slide and lock. We now have our two shelves and our two end panels. We're going to apply our bottom. Line them up and slide and lock in our bottom plate. Putting in our back panel, slide down, into position. Now we're simply going to put on our top shelf. And there we have it. We have a completely hidden bookcase. Nice and solid. Using the Striplox Mini120.